I need a little bit more timber for making my raised beds, so the big lad and I are going into the forest to get some more. Horse logging in the UK, where I'm from, is known as snigging. I'm not sure what it's called out here in Ireland, or even if there's anybody still doing it. I'm only doing it because I need some logs, I live in the middle of a forest, and I like to keep Mischief busy. When he's not kept busy, he's awful. So keeping him busy keeps him happy. I know a lot of people disagree with working horses nowadays, but trust me, you wouldn't want to be around Mischief when he's bored and not being worked. I'm not a professional by any means. As you can see, I don't have a Scandinavian arch or any of the modern stuff that people use nowadays. I've stripped it right back to the very basics, like the old timers used to do, just the necessities. Don't worry though, I do know what I'm doing. Let's go. All these trees here are what came down over the road during that storm, and I just cut them off the road and pushed them to one side. But this one's ideal because it's right next to the road and it's nice and small. A nice easy one for him to start with. First log of the day. There's just a few branches on it which I'll nip off now, if the chainsaw starts. Told you, if the chainsaw starts. Proper log on for you this time. Alright. Proper log. Stand. Alright, walk up. Come on. Do that. Walk up. Do that. Boy, what a boy Mischief is. What a boy. Walk up. Good lad. Come on, go a bit. Good lad. Walk up. Stand. Good boy. Good boy. Stand. Good lad. Stand. Stand. Back a bit. Back. Back one step. Good boy. Good boy. Stand. You stand there. Good boy. Stand. 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 Right, nice and steady. Walk on. Walk on, good lad. Walk on. Walk on. Nice and steady. Nice and steady. Good boy. Good boy. Nice and steady. Good lad. Walk on. Go on. Go on. You got it. You got it. Good lad. Come over. Come over. You're going to take camera out. Right, I've only got 2 logs, but that'll do because I really want to show you what I'm going to do with them now. And right as I got started, I had a delivery of wood chip, and I've got to get that sorted today because it's due to rain all weekend after this, so I need to get on and get these ripped down. So there we go, that's one board, that's where it's going to go. I'll put some stakes in later and that will make my raised bed like these ones. Bit of a mess at the moment. I think we can all agree Mischief has deserved this carrot. Not my hand. Mischief's convinced I'm doing it to grow carrots. I may have told him the little white lie there. Quack, quack, get out of here. If you watched the last video, you may remember me saying that only mental people had horses, and you all thought I was joking. I wasn't. Have a guess what I'm doing now? Yeah, I'm washing hay. This is what life has come to. I'm washing hay. The hay's a bit dusty for Mischief. It'll give him a cough if I leave it. So I'm just washing all the dust off it. So there we go, just a quick look at snigging. If you'd like me to do a more in-depth video on it, let me know in the comments, and it's something that I might do in the future. As for next week's video, I've got a million other jobs to do, so it'll be something completely different. If you're new to the channel, please check out some of the other videos or consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.